Did you know that your head weighs about as much as a bowling ball? And when it's pushed forward, even a little, it can basically triple its weight on your neck. That heavy head feeling, that's tech neck. And in this video, I'm breaking it down and showing you not only what it is, but also how to fix it. This is Dr. Cece. Let's get started. Tech neck, also called anterior head carriage, is what happens when your head drifts forward in front of your shoulders, usually from one culprit. Well, a few culprits. Phones, laptops, driving, work posture, and yes, of course, texting. For every 1 inch your head moves forward, your neck muscles work way harder to hold it up. Your upper traps, levator scapula, and suboccipital muscles. They're usually working overtime, but just not getting paid for it. So why does this matter? Well, forward head posture can cause neck tension, headaches, shoulder pain, TMJ irritation, upper back burning, even numbness or tingling down the arms. Because when the head moves forward, it pulls the whole kinetic chain with it. It's like your head is trying to leave your body, one scroll at a time. Your cervical spine should have a smooth curve, like a gentle C shape. But with tech neck, that curve straightens and even reverses. Your extensors get tight, your deep stabilizers get sleepy, and your shoulders usually roll forward with it. The upper traps, levator scapula, SCM, and suboccipital muscles get tight. The deep neck flexors and your mid and low traps get weak. So here's the fix in 3 simple steps. Step 1, awareness and setup. We're going to reset that posture. Lift the phone, not your head. Screens should meet your eyes, not the other way around. Some tips: bring your phone to eye level. Chin slightly tucked. Ribs stacked over pelvis. Shoulders gently back and down. Step 2, let's do some mobility stretches to undo the tightness. First, we'll do an upper trap stretch. This is a great technique to increase flexibility and reduce tension in the upper trapezius muscle, located in the neck and upper back. This stretch involves laterally flexing or tilting the head to one side while stabilizing the opposite shoulders. It can be done standing or sitting down. You're going to do about 20 to 30 seconds on each side, a few times a day. Next are chin glides. These are my favorite, and I teach them to all my patients with neck pain. They are simple yet effective exercises to improve posture, alleviate neck pain, and strengthen those deep neck flexor muscles. Think double chin, but cute. Okay, so go slow and gently glide your chin straight back as if you're trying to create a double chin. The movement should be a small, subtle horizontal slide of your head backward over your body, not a downward tilt of the chin toward the chest. Remember to keep your back straight. Hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds, feeling a gentle contraction at the base of your head. Then you slowly return your head to the starting position. Repeat this movement for 5 to 10 reps several times a day. Last are thoracic extensions over a foam roller. This is a good way to improve posture and upper back mobility. Lie on your back with your foam roller placed horizontally beneath your upper to mid back. Clasp your hands behind your head for support and gently arch backward over the roller. Keep your hips on the floor. A word of caution: do not foam roll your lower back, your lumbar area. This area is very sensitive and does not like the roller. So, stick to your upper and middle back. Don't go below the ribs. Step 3. Now let's strengthen for a long-term fix. Let's start with deep neck flexor holds. Lay flat on your back, tuck the chin down towards the neck, almost like you're doing a sit-up. You can place a hand on the back of your head to assist in actively flexing the head forward towards the chest. Now, remove the hand and hold the head in that flexed position. Then slowly lower your head back to the floor while still keeping the chin tucked. You're going to hold for about 5 to 10 seconds and do about 10 reps. Next, W-Retractions. I really like these. This exercise strengthens the muscles between your shoulder blades. You can do this either seated or standing. Position your arms out to your side with elbows bent and at a 90-degree angle, forming a W shape with your body. Breathe out as you gently squeeze your shoulder blades together towards the spine. The movement should come from your shoulder blade muscles, not by arching your lower back or shrugging your shoulders. Imagine you're trying to hold a pencil between your shoulder blades. Squeeze that mid-back and open the chest. Repeat for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. We're going to finish up step 3 with 2 easy ones. First, wall angels. Perfect for posture endurance. Just like the snow angels that you used to do when you were a child, except you're only going to be using your arms and you're doing it against a wall. Go slow with this one with controlled movements. Last, we're going to finish up with chin tucks against a wall. Your neck will really love this. Just like the chin glides we did in step 1, but just against a wall. Now I'll show you a quick 30-second fix. Tuck chin in, lengthen that spine, open your chest, breathe low and slow. Think chest up, chin back, tall neck. Do this 3 to 5 times a day and watch your posture start to come back to life. If you're feeling numbness, constant headaches, or pain that just keeps coming back, it may be time to get checked by a professional. So find a good chiropractor or any other provider who understands posture biomechanics. Tech neck is super fixable, but ignoring it just makes it louder. Your head might weigh 10 to 12 pounds, but with tech neck, it can feel like 40 pounds. The answer is simple. Fix the posture and you'll fix the problem. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into tech neck and forward head posture. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more posture perfect content. This is Dr. Cece. See you next video.